So, first we'll understand what is energy, then we can understand what is energy exchange. Okay, let me just adjust a little bit. Okay, this is better. Okay, so exchange of energy. First, we need to understand what is energy, and all these sessions are practical sessions. These are not like kind of a philosophy. I am talking about many theoretical concepts and all. I am not discussing here in these sessions. All are practical things which we have to try in our life and change the way our mind thinks. Okay. Okay, in between people are joining. So first we'll understand what is energy. एनर्जी होता क्या है? क्योंकि जब हम बोलते हैं किसी पार्टनर्स को सिलेक्ट करना, इफ यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट सम पार्टनर, द पर्सन should be having some kind of a energy equations with you. Okay, so first we have to experience the energy, then we will go to the further details of how to exchange the energy and how to understand that person is right kind of a partner for you or not. वो पार्टनर आपकी लाइफ के लिए सही है या गलत है, वो आपको समझ में आने लगेगा. ओके, सो फर्स्ट विल अंडरस्टैंड एनर्जी, विल एक्सपीरियंस एनर्जी. फर्स्ट एनर्जी एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Every session I start with this energy experience, so you can get control of your mind and you can feel the energy. Whatever energy you are gaining, that energy will convert into clarity. जो एनर्जी अभी हम गेन करेंगे वही एनर्जी क्लैरिटी में कन्वर्ट होती है. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल एक्सपीरियंस एनर्जी. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? You have to take proper breathing with me. Okay, you have to inhale with me and you have to exhale with me. So what I will do, I will follow a breathing rhythm: 3 seconds inhalation and 2 seconds exhalation. This process we will do it for 20 times, and after 20 times you will feel some kind of a energy booster in your body, some kind of a energy you will feel in your body, and that energy we have to convert into clarity. See, clarity you cannot bring from your like thoughts. Whatever thoughts you are having, it is very difficult to bring those that clarity element in your mind. आप अपनी सोच से, अपने विचारों से क्लैरिटी नहीं ला सकते. कोई सोचता है कि मैं बहुत सारे थॉट्स सोचूंगा तो माइंड में क्लैरिटी आएगी. दैट इज अ रॉन्ग कंसेप्ट. सो यू हैव टू remove all the thoughts. Whatever thoughts you are having, you have to remove completely. Then only you can select the right thought in your mind to take some proper decision. Okay, so first we'll do that process and then we will understand further how to select a right person in your life, whether it is for business or it is for uh, life partner. If suppose you want to have a relationship with someone, you want to marry someone, or you want to have a business partnership with someone. So first understand yourself, then you can understand other person. Okay, if you are not even clear what you want, how you can understand other person? So that clarity you have to bring first in your mind, and then slowly you can understand what I want from other person. So you can expect same thing from other person. Okay, so we'll understand the process in detail. First we will do this process. आपको क्या करना है? मेरे साथ श्वास लेनी है. This process is magical. You will understand. Okay, if you do it properly, you will understand how energy works. Okay, so you have to you have to keep in mind one thing, when you are inhaling, you are breathing in, your stomach, your navel, your belly should come outside. And when you are exhaling, it should go inside. This awareness you have to maintain throughout the 20 breaths. If you are breathing incorrectly, negative energy will increase in your body. Okay, so that is the first thing you have to understand. So what you have to do, keep both hands on your navel. ओके, ऑन योर नेवल बटन, नाभि पे रखिए, अपने दोनों हाथों को नेवल पे रखिए. मैं हाथों से आपको गाइड करूंगा कि कब आपको श्वास लेना है मेरे साथ और कब आपको श्वास छोड़ना है. तो जैसे ही आपको अपने हाथ दोनों नेवल पे ही रखने. ओके, यू डोंट मूव योर हैंड्स विथ मी, यू जस्ट keep your hands on your navel, and when I raise my hand, you have to inhale. When I lower my hand, you have to exhale. Okay, we will do it in proper 3:2 breathing. 3 second inhalation, 2 second exhalation. Okay, so we'll start. Get ready. First, try to remove all carbon dioxide. Just breathe in and put your stomach inside. Remove all carbon dioxide. Now you can start with me. Start. Okay. Close your eyes now. Feel the energy experience in your body for next 2 minutes. Keep your eyes closed. Just witness what is happening in your system. दो मिनट तक विटनेस करें कि आपके बॉडी में एनर्जी का फ्लो कहाँ कहाँ पे आपको महसूस हो रहा है. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Now you can watch your mind like a TV screen. I will guide you how to watch your mind. You can keep your eyes closed and focus on the third eye, जहां पे हम लोग तिलक लगाते हैं. Center of your forehead, you have to focus, keep your eyes closed and see. What you can see is some black screen or golden screen, some light. Even if your eyes are closed, you can see some kind of a light around your third eye area, forehead area. आपकी थर्ड आई एरिया पे फोकस कीजिए, आपको माइंड का स्क्रीन दिखेगा, या तो ब्लैक कलर का स्क्रीन दिखेगा या तो गोल्डन कलर का स्क्रीन दिखेगा. सो दिस इज अ स्क्रीन ऑफ योर माइंड. So if you can see black color or golden color, it means there are no thoughts in your mind. But okay, now we will bring some thoughts in your mind. अभी हम कुछ थॉट्स को आपके माइंड में लेकर आएंगे. ओके, first keep on watching the screen of your mind. Okay, first thought we will bring in our mind is, which is your favorite hero, Bollywood hero or actor? Just bring that thought in your mind. If you like someone like Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan, Salman Khan, or Hrithik Roshan, Rajnikant, who is your favorite Bollywood actor? Bring that person's thought in your mind. Okay, so remain aware, follow my instructions. मेरी बातों को ध्यान से सुनो और अपने थर्ड आई को देखते रहो, आंखें बंद रखो. आप शाहरुख खान को, रजनीकांत को, अमिताभ बच्चन को या आमिर खान को, जिसको भी आप पसंद करते हो, आपकी माइंड की स्क्रीन पे उसका इमेज यू कैन सी. सो नाउ यू हैव कंट्रोल of your mind. You can control the thoughts at this moment because you have gained the energy by doing that process with me. आपने एनर्जी गेन किया है, तो आप आसानी से थॉट्स को देख पा रहे हो, अपने माइंड की स्क्रीन को पूरी तरह से कंट्रोल कर पा रहे हो. ओके, स्लोली स्लोली यू चेंज द टीवी स्क्रीन. जैसे टीवी पे हम चैनल बदलते हैं, यू चेंज द थॉट फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड हीरो to your partner. So you don't know what kind of a person you need in your life as a life partner or business partner. But what you can do is, what qualities you want in that person. Okay, you bring those qualities in your mind screen. Suppose, let me give you some example. See, with my clarity, with my way of controlling my mind, I can give you lot many tips, what thoughts you have to think to bring complete clarity in your life. कौन से ऐसे विचार अगर आप मेरी आवाज से सुनकर पकड़ सकते हो, तो आपको क्लैरिटी आएगी कि आपको लाइफ में क्या करना है, किस पर्सन पे भरोसा करना है, विच पर्सन यू कैन ट्रस्ट फॉर योर बिजनेस or for your relationships. Okay, so I will guide you one by one. We have to bring those qualities in our mind. Okay, first thing, keep your eyes closed and understand what I am saying. The person, suppose you want to do some kind of a business with him or you want to build a relationship with him, should be ready to learn something with you. This is the first important quality you have to select or you have to think of for any person who want to work with you. Suppose you are starting some business or you already have some business. आपका कोई ऑलरेडी कोई बिजनेस है, ओके, तो आप बिजनेस में कुछ इंप्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो, कुछ नए आइडियाज इंप्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो, या तो बिजनेस को प्रॉफिटेबल बनाना चाहते हो, तो आप बिजनेस को प्रॉफिटेबल बनाना भी एक लर्निंग प्रोसेस है. बेसिकली यू आर ट्राइंग समथिंग, you are learning and you are trying something to make business more profitable. Okay, so in that case the person should also be open to learn with you and implement some new ideas to make the business more and more profitable. This is the first quality person should have. अगर आपने कोई पर्सन सिलेक्ट किया, कोई पार्टनर सिलेक्ट किया, आपने कुछ आप कुछ करना चाहते हो, कुछ नया इंप्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो और कुछ नया तरीका आपने सीखा है और वो इंप्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो, लेकिन आपके पार्टनर को नया कुछ करने की आदत नहीं है, नया कुछ सीखने की आदत नहीं है, तो आप में कंफ्लिक्ट होगा. इवन इन केस ऑफ लाइफ पार्टनर, if you want to do something and that person is not having that attitude of learning and implementing, trying out something new, then it will be, you will be in a conflict with that person. So that relationship will not continue for longer period, whether it is a business relationship or it is a life relationship. So that first quality, see, every day is a learning opportunity, if it is a relationship or it is a business. So first quality should be that that person should have same kind of a learning attitude like you. So basically, if you are learning spirally, slowly you are learning, that person should also have patience. सपोज कि आपने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया या आपने रिलेशनशिप स्टार्ट किया और कुछ कंफ्लिक्ट हो गया और that person is getting irritated in shorter period with you and the situation. शॉर्ट टाइम में ही सामने वाला इरिटेट हो जाता है, पेशेंस नहीं है. सी, एनी रिलेशनशिप नीड्स पेशेंस. If you want to continue for longer period and you want to become successful, that person should be having this quality of patience. रिलेशनशिप में भी झगड़े होते हैं, एक दूसरे को समझने में टाइम लगता है, तो पेशेंस जरूरी है. इवन बिजनेस में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए पेशेंस जरूरी है. 6 मंथ में सामने वाला इरिटेट हो रहा है कि नथिंग इज वर्किंग आउट, then you don't go with that person. You find out whether that person is having a patience in his mind or in his behavior or not. Patience is a second quality which is required for successful relationship. So all these points what I am telling, see, normally if you think from your mind, you will think, oh, I want some partner who is good looking, who will who will invest some money in my business. Okay, that is okay, but it will not last long. Your relationship will not last long if you are only looking at the tangible factors. Tangible factors means ऐसे फैक्टर जो आप आंखों से देख रहे हो या फिजिकली यू वांट समथिंग फ्रॉम हिम, सम मनी और सम गुड लुक्स या हिज वे ऑफ टॉकिंग, this all things are physical aspects, but you have to think on the non tangible which you cannot see by looking at some person. You have to understand these non tangible things, like the person should have a learning attitude. If you want to grow in any relationship, you have to learn. You have to learn from your mistakes. You have to learn from the environment. You have to learn from the competition. You have to learn from market factors. You have to adapt, learn and adapt. Even in the relationship, it applies. Suppose आप दोनों के बीच में झगड़े हो रहे हैं, person you are getting in fights with that person or conflict. So you have to learn why that person is getting irritated from your behavior, and you have to understand and correct, and the same other person also should do. So learning from each other and keeping patience with each other is a key in any relationship, whether it is a business or whether it is a personal relationship. So second point is the person should have patience. First point is he should have learning attitude towards life, towards business or trying out new things. Okay, अगर Zoom meeting end होता है, please join back with the same link. If Zoom meeting ends, you click on the same link and you can join back, and we will continue with the we'll complete this topic today. Okay, so first thing is these two qualities. See, what I am trying to give you is the clarity from my mind. My mind is not cluttered. I do not have any unwanted thoughts. I can bring any thought at any point of time and I can solve people's problem because I have that ability, I have that energy. Okay, but you, if you want to make your mind like this, you should have lot of energy and you should have lot of awareness. That awareness will guide you what to do at what moment. The appropriateness will come from that awareness. Okay, what I am talking in this particular topic is that appropriateness, appropriate thoughts. I am not thinking from my mind. Whatever I am talking is from that awareness. So what is that awareness? You have to experience, you have to grow higher in the energy field, you have to get into the learning zone, learning attitude mode. That learning only will help you to solve all your life's problems. Okay, whether it is a relationship issues, whether it is a business issue, or you want to take a decision at any moment, that awareness can help you to take that decision. Okay, so I have told two qualities in that person. There could be many qualities because but time is limited. One more thing I will tell you is that person should love you. This is most important thing. Okay, see, in every relationship there is a problem with ego. Okay, if suppose there is a love, whether your partner, I am not talking about physical love, I am talking about mutual respect. That person should love you even you are doing some mistakes, even you are doing some wrong things. His ego should not come in between, or your ego should not come in between. Ego, your love should be more than your ego combined. आपके एक दूसरे के प्रति जो प्यार है वो ईगो से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थर्ड फैक्टर. Some partner, some, see, normally how we select some partner, he's my friend or I know him, he's very talented person, or he can bring some kind of a new thing in my life. But first important thing is उसका ego कितना है. क्या वो सिर्फ अपनी बात सुनता है या दूसरों की बात भी समझता है? If he respects your viewpoints and he loves your viewpoints, he loves you more than his ego, then that person is right partner for your life, whether it is a business or whether it is a personal relationship. See, normally relationship में प्रॉब्लम क्यों आती है? बिकॉज ऑफ ईगो. उसने कुछ बोला, हमको पसंद नहीं आया, हमारा ईगो हर्ट हो गया, हमने भी कुछ बोला, उसका ईगो हर्ट कर दिया, रिलेशनशिप ब्रेक हो जाती है. इवन बिजनेस पार्टनरशिप्स एंड डिवोर्स, ये सब क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ ईगो बैटल्स. ईगो बैटल. तो ईगो से ज्यादा क्या होना चाहिए? यू शुड love that person. But when you will love that person, there should be fourth quality. There should be a trust. See, all these things I think you already know. But how to judge that person based on these four qualities required lot of awareness. Energy and awareness. That energy I converted into clarity. And I am telling you, see, I do not prepare for any sessions. Any session like this, I take at least 5 to 6 sessions every week or every weekend. I'm busy, but I do not prepare for any session. I just tell whatever things are coming from that awareness, what is appropriate at this moment. So trust. See, basically that person should trust you. See, normally in business it is very difficult to trust anyone, but if that person loves you, then he will trust you. So love is important. See, profit is one thing, but if you want to be a successful together, see, there is mainly पार्टनरशिप ब्रेक कब होता है? जब लोगों को लगने लगता है कि वो पर्सन पे उसका ट्रस्ट हट जाता है, प्यार हट जाता है. सी, नॉर्मली वी डू नॉट टॉक टू ईच अदर when there is a ego battle or there is a distrust, कुछ भरोसा नहीं है, तो हम बात ही नहीं करते सामने वालों से. लेकिन अगर आप सामने वाले से प्यार करते हो, उस पर ट्रस्ट करते हो, यू टॉक टू हिम डेली, कि उसको अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है आपके माइंड से या आपसे, ही शुड टेल इन फ्रंट. सो वो कम्युनिकेशन गैप जो है शुड नॉट बी देयर. एंड यू शुड बी ए गुड लिसनर, ही शुड बी ए गुड लिसनर. दैट इज अ वन मोर क्वालिटी. इफ यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट सम पार्टनर, वो कितना अच्छे से आपकी बातें सुनता है. देखो, रिलेशनशिप्स में ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम क्यों होते हैं? सामने वाला सुनना ही नहीं चाहता. नो, ही ओनली वांट टू talk about his viewpoints. He is not a good listener. So in business partnership also, your partner should be a good listener. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि he should be good listener and you are not. Both the partners should be a good listener. सामने वाला जो बोलता है वो सुनो, उसको समझो, then you tell your viewpoints and he should listen. So any relationship is based on proper communication. Listening skills are very important. Okay, see, I am not talking about all those marketing jargons की networking, selling skills, और वो सब आप theory इंटरनेट पे भी ढूंढ लोगे. You can get all those things on the internet. कि सेलिंग स्किल होना चाहिए, उसको मार्केट का अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए, वो तो होना ही चाहिए. अगर आपको कोई बिजनेस पार्टनर को ले रहे हो और उसको आपके बिजनेस के बारे में, मार्केट के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, तो ही कैन नॉट हेल्प यू. ओके, one more thing, if you are a technology person, okay, don't select other person who is also a technology person. तो conflict होगा, then it will be a conflict. So husband wife में भी, if you select some person, okay, हु इज इन द सेम फील्ड विथ यू, तो कंफ्लिक्ट होने का चांस ज्यादा है। जैसे कि एक आर्टिस्ट है, सिंगर है, दूसरा भी दोनों सिंगिंग करते हैं, एक एक आगे बढ़ रहा है, दूसरा नहीं बढ़ रहा है, तो दोनों ईगो बैटल होने के चांसेस ज्यादा है कि आई एम ए बेटर पर्सन, बेटर टैलेंटेड पर्सन एंड यू आर नथिंग। सो इफ बोथ द पर्सन्स आर यूनिक, सो ईगो बैटल नहीं होगा, दोनों एक दूसरे की बातें सुनेंगे, क्योंकि इसको इसके टैलेंट के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है और इसको इसके बारे में नहीं पता है। See, this thing is very important. So if you select some partner, don't select person who is having the same kind of a skills and talent like you. If you are a technology person, that person should be marketing expert. If that person is marketing expert, you should be kind of a technology or some kind of a R&D expert, whatever is required in your business. Technology expert, your skills are already there. Why you need some other person who is an expert in same domain? You can hire someone. See, this is a strategy. Your husband or your wife should be unique. Okay, their talents should be different. Like it's not clash with your talents. आप भी वही करते हो, वो भी वही करते हैं, तो झगड़े होंगे. If you select some doctor and you are also a doctor, okay, but select some doctor who is not who is having specialty in some other things. See, normally people think this way that I am a doctor, so other person should also be kind of a doctor. So we can create one hospital, we will develop that hospital and we will run the common business. That is okay. But if you are, suppose you are child specialist, he should not be a child specialist. He can be gynecologist or something different. Okay. So there will be no conflict. And both will respect each other, both will learn from each other, and that kind of a interest will be always there to learn from each other and to respect each other, and there will be some kind of a bonding also. Okay, so in business partnership also it is required. You have to learn from that person, you have to understand his viewpoints, you have to respect his viewpoints, you should trust him, and you should appreciate him. That is the one more quality, last quality which I wanted to talk. See, in all the relationships, normally we do not appreciate the other person. Business partnership also, if that person, if he is having some talents, उसने कुछ अच्छा किया है, so you have to appreciate. तो ये क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि सामने वाला आपको अप्रिशिएट करता है कि नहीं, आप उसको अप्रिशिएट करते हो कि नहीं. एक दूसरे को अप्रिशिएट करोगे publicly, then that bonding will sustain. In here also, in life relationship also, husband wife should appreciate each other in front of other people. Ki my husband is having these qualities and I am very happy. So this kind of a relationship will last longer. Okay, you should not criticize in public. Even in the business partnership, if you find someone is criticizing, it is of criticizing nature, he criticizes people openly, don't go with that person. Even if suppose he is right, he is criticizing on the right points, but that nature will create problem in future. Okay, अगर वो सही बातों में भी क्रिटिसाइज करता है तो भी उसके साथ मत जाओ, क्योंकि जो नेचर है वो क्रिटिसिज्म का है, एप्रिसिएशन का नेचर नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द पर्सन हु इज एप्रिसिएटिव इन नेचर, जो एप्रिशिएट करना जानता है दूसरों को. क्रिटिसिज्म भी एक अलग तरीके से इंप्रूवमेंट के तौर पे अगर बताने का तरीका होता है. Always if someone is criticizing you, it will hurt your self esteem, and that relationship will not last longer. Okay, तो ऐसा कोई पर्सन आपकी लाइफ में आ गया जो आपके सेल्फ स्टीम को बार बार हर्ट कर रहा है, so that relationship will not last long, whether it is a business relationship or life relationship. Okay, so relationship में, if you want to marry someone, you just note down all these points and try to evaluate him, try to find out what kind of a nature he is having. वो आपको अप्रिशिएट करता है क्या, वो आपको ट्रस्ट करता है क्या, वो आपकी बातें सुनता है क्या. इन बिजनेस ऑल्सो यू कैन डू सेम थिंग. सी, दिस आर ऑल नॉन टेंजिबल फैक्टर्स जो आपको पता नहीं, जो आप पता कर सकते हो. आप सामने वालों से 4 to 5 times, if you are having a discussion, common discussion with him, you can try to find out what kind of a nature he is having. See, I can train you in this also, how to identify the person's nature. You just list down all these 5 to 10 points, whatever I told, and you try to ask some questions. See, that is also a clarity. What kind of a questions you can ask to that person, how to understand what is his nature, what are his viewpoints. See, all these things only can come from the clarity, and that clarity can come from energy and awareness. See, clarity is a result of awareness. It is not a mind quality. Okay, mind cannot be clear because mind has tendency to think unwanted thoughts. Sometimes you will think about Shah Rukh Khan, sometimes you will think about Bill Gates, sometimes you will think about Modi, sometimes you will think about all unrelevant things you will think about. But you want to think about your business, but your mind will keep on thinking some other things. Sometimes it will go in the past, in your college days, and you will remember some person जो आपको बहुत पसंद था. ऐसे कोई पर्सन को आप याद करने लगोगे. कभी आपको स्कूल की टीचर याद आ जाएगी. तो वो सब चीजें अनवांटेड है. इट विल ड्रेन आउट योर एनर्जी. एवरी थॉट ड्रेन्स योर एनर्जी. So clarity comes from awareness. Awareness comes from energy. For energy, you have to learn how to gain lot of energy. See, normally I just tried out, I told you how to gain the energy by this process. Okay, this is a basic process. This is not even a process. Energy processes are different. Okay, and higher level of clarity can come only when you are full of energy and awareness. See, you can be intelligent. You are very educated, intelligent person. But awareness doesn't come from education. लास्ट सेशन में भी मैंने बताया था कि कोई साइंटिस्ट है, पीएचडी है, बट जरूरी नहीं है ही इज अ वेरी हाईली अवेयर पर्सन. ही इज नॉट क्लियर. Clarity doesn't come from your education or the knowledge. Okay, so I think we covered today's topic. Basically, what you have to do is list down all these points, and you try to talk to that person, frame the questions correctly, and find out if that person is having all these non-tangible qualities or not. अगर उसमें ये qualities है, then you can do business or you can marry that person. That relationship will last longer. So people, देखो अभी इतने सारे डिवोर्स होते हैं, इतने झगड़े होते हैं शादियों में. क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि हमारी अवेयरनेस उतनी नहीं है टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन आई नीड. हमको खुद को पता नहीं है कि हमको कौन चाहिए, कैसा चाहिए. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत पता होगा, बट सामने वाले को हम जज नहीं कर पाते. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस you will run into losses in your business if you select some wrong person as a partner. और उसने आपको धोखा दिया या उसके साथ आपका जमा नहीं, और आपके ऊपर करोड़ों का लोन चढ़ गया, your life will be totally disturbed. And same thing happen in the after marriage. What normally you select some person and you don't know what kind of person that he is, फिर वो झगड़े होते हैं पूरी जिंदगी, या तो झगड़ के लोग जीते हैं या तो एंड हो जाता है रिलेशनशिप. ओके, सो बेस्ट वे टू इज टू find out all these qualities in that other person by asking proper questions. But that those questions I cannot tell you in a group session. Okay, so if you want to understand and go into that depth, you can connect to me personally and we can go into those details. What kind of a problems you are having in your life? I do not know. Like many people join uh, different sessions, so they can tell me and I am there to help you. Okay, so you can connect to me on my personal WhatsApp window or you can call me. Okay, do you have any questions? Next 5 minutes, we will end this session. Anyone has any questions? कुछ क्वेश्चंस किसी को पूछना है तो आप पूछिए, या तो आप चैट विंडो पे भी भेज सकते हो, या तो अनम्यूट योर वॉइस दिस ऑडियो एंड यू कैन आस्क. You can unmute yourself and you can ask, or you can type on the chat window. Chat window पे भी आप भेज सकते हो. Okay, any questions are there? Okay, if you do not have any questions now, you can ask me separately also. You can record your voice message and send it to me on my WhatsApp window, or you can send the text message also. But remove this awkwardness from your life. See, this will also create a big problem in your relationships. You should not be awkward to ask or share your problems, share your opinions, or your views with some other person. See, I am there here, I am there in this workshop to help you. See, every Sunday, I am ready to spend 1 hour with the people who are facing different problems in their life, because this is part of my life mission. But people have these patterns, mind patterns, awkwardness, then they are not clear what to ask. They are in trouble. People are in trouble with their mind issues, with their stress, depression, non clarity, confusion. But they, some kind of a patterns are stopping them to connect to the other person who is available. Okay, so think and ponder on your whatever life decisions you want to make, what problems you want to solve. Okay, okay, I think if there are no questions, we can end this session now. Thank you for your time. We will connect later. Okay, thank you. Namaste.